fish? 2 fish.
Oh,
we got
Yeah, now you're just showing
got a
off.
double. Got a double. Another Gasper over there. Pull 'em up.
Got something?
Oh, Gasper.
Alright. I gotta remember not to roll it up.
That's how you catch them, Ken.
I'll get another one. These have to be 10 only.
No, there's no limit on Gasper.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's no limit?
No, on Gaspers.
Are they good to eat?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Show the camera. There you go. Oh. I got that shit in there. Oh! That's a garter. We were just talking about that.
Is it a gar? Oh, there you go. Oh. Oh, fuzzies.
Just talking about that. Well,
First guard?
uh-huh.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Definitely. Come on, dude. That's super fucking slimy.
Well, you gotta watch the teeth though. Not what we're fishing for, but it's a fish.
Some.
Let me get a picture. Yeah. You're all good. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Grab that.
Wonder that's what we're marking on.
Could be. Good travel.
Got something?
Oh, look at
Oh, gee.
Fell off?
No, you follow hooked a catfish.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it counts. Good guy.
Alright guys, starting my intro late again, as per usual. So we are at Choke Canyon. We are fishing, not catching. So we got Mr. Carter back here. We got Ken, he's come with me before. Greg, right?
Great.
And Mr. Jesse. So Jesse runs a part-time guy like me also, guys. Bottom feeders fishing. You've seen him on my videos before. Decided to join me today, and yeah, we're marking a lot of fish, just we are not getting anything. We've got a couple small things, nothing to write home about. Got one last little hurrah going right now. See if we can get something in the boat. But I think Greg, you're winning though, right?
So far.
Oh, yeah. By a little.
We've got 3 species in the boat, just none of the species we're targeting. We'll see how we do, guys. And then I think my engine's acting up, which is not good news. May have to end up taking it to the shop, which is not going to be good. It's making some sort of weird vibrating noise. So, I hope it gets us back to the dock with no problems.
We do too.
Yeah.
No fish.
If not, it's going to be a long trolling motor ride. Alright, we'll be back, guys. See if we get anything. There we go.
Got off.
Get him again. Get him again. Is that on the sausage? No. Ready?
Snagged him.
Ah, that's how you do it.
The boy.
Catfish. On the tail. Catfish on the tail. Show the camera.
We can change that. There you go.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. We changed it. We moved it here.
No, it's just one. Yeah.
Just like that.
It just right there.
Little big.
Didn't snag him. We did the other one.
Still too small.
Oh yeah.
No, it's something.
All right. Pick it up.
That's
Catfish.
Same one. Because we're gonna foul hook all the catfish. I swear to God.
See, the sausage paid off. Sad part is there was no sausage this time.
You know the fish fighter works.
Yeah.
Just the wrong fish. We are 4 for 4 in foul hooking catfish. Oh, there you go. Get it, Ken. Another foul hook one?
That was a guess
Oh,
for you.
Gasper. There you go, 2 tacos.
Yay!
2 tacos. Got some fish tacos. Shit, I think everyone's got one. Is it a stick fish? Oh, 2 fish? 2 fish. Oh, we got
Yeah, now you're just showing
got a
off.
double. Got a double. Another Gasper over there. And the catfish is back. Swing me the boat. Swing me the boat. You got 3 fish tacos. Now you can eat. We got 3 fish tacos, guys.
I'm catching over here, they're just not alive.
Carter, you want to use this rod? I paid extra for it.
You know, they used to be my rods. Right? We traded after you caught your first catch or whatever.
Looks good. Looks good. What you got? What you got?
Oh, nice
Oh,
big
that's a better one.
They switch sides with me.
What's the limit on these? I just want to save some for y'all.
Woo! Love it. Love it.
Alrighty guys, so we are at the end of our trip, and as you can see, I am not at the lake when I'm doing my outro. So we're actually back home, back there in the corner. You can see Kira maybe through the screen. So yeah, man, it seems like every December, January, I don't know, I feel like something always goes wrong with this boat during that time frame. But so today our plan was to go to Choke Canyon. I haven't fished that lake in 2 years because all of last year, remember, my boat was in the shop for 3 months, and the year before that was just a bad year. We didn't really do a whole lot of fishing that winter. So I was like, let's go back to the lake, see if we can find some white bass. So that was the plan. We caught 0 white bass, but I think we got 4 Gasper Blues, and I think we got 5 catfish, but they were all super small, and one alligator guard, small one. So definitely was not the return that I was hoping for. And then on top of that, my engine is making a god ugly noise and it's shaking a lot. So I don't know what's wrong with it. It wasn't doing that on my last trip like a week and a half ago when I was at Calaveras. I didn't hit a stump because it was making that noise before we got anywhere near any kind of trees. So no clue what's going on with that. So I have to now take it back to the shop, figure out what's going on with it, and hopefully it's not going to sit there for too long. I'm hoping maybe 2 weeks, but we shall see. But yeah, enjoy the video. It's going to be a short one. I mean, we caught some fish, so it was good. I mean, at least we caught something, but definitely we were kind of hoping for some more, but we'll see how it goes. So enjoy the video. See you in my next update in hopefully 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, hopefully not 3 weeks. So see y'all later. Bye.